In this video, I will show you how to go ahead and switch to Google Ads Expert Mode. First, you want to go ahead and log into your Google Ads account, right? Go to the Google Ads website, enter your email address, password, go ahead and sign in. Now, once you're logged in, you'll basically see the default Smart Mode interface if you're basically new. And what you need to do is you want to locate the Switch to Expert Mode option. So in the lower left corner of the Smart Mode interface, you want to look for the settings or tools option. Okay, this will be a gear icon, a gear cog. Like, click on it, it'll open up the settings menu. Now in the settings menu, all you need to do is select switch to expert mode. Okay, and then go ahead and confirm your choice when you're prompted to do that. And once you're in the expert mode, you'll see all of the complex interface with tabs like campaigns, keywords, audiences, and more features. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Appier Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.